so we're actually going to start that room tour right now. So we stayed in the Haven Accessible Suite. It's category HE, room 17124. And as you can see, this is a beautiful room. Outside of that bed that's a little too high, this room was just awesome. You have a separate sitting area, a separate dining area, plenty of room to stretch out. That TV does pivot there. So if you're sitting in the sitting area and you want to move the TV that direction, you can do that. Through those curtains there in the sitting area, it does look out onto the ocean. Really nice. Of course, we just had them closed for the room tour. Fresh flowers in your suite, canapes every single day. One of the best parts of the suite, I thought, was this little station here. You have an Nespresso coffee maker, real glasses and cups and stemware. Just everything you need for an in-room dining experience. Also, plenty of closet space. Again, you have this pull-down rack here, so you can get to your hanging items if you're in a wheelchair. Also, plenty of cabinets to tuck away things. Some complimentary slippers there. And again, more shelving on both sides of the entryway. One of the weird things about this room wasn't a lot of drawer space. So you really just had to fold things or hang them really nicely. And next we're going to move on to the bathroom here. Again, you do have that bench that folds down, the built-in shower bench. It would have worked, but again, Colleen and I brought her bench. She just prefers it. Toilet worked perfectly well for Colleen, except for that bar in the back. It tends just to make it hard to stay on the toilet there, but no real issues. Plenty of counter space in this room. You can see here, shelves to put all of your toiletries. A full tub, again, with grab bars. So if you do want to take a soak, you can. And afterwards, you can hop out and put on one of these nice Haven robes. They are not complimentary, though. They're complimentary while you're there, but don't take them with you. You will get a charge on your room. And again, just one more view of the bathroom here so you can make sure it works for your accessibility needs. Again, this is the room tour of room 17124.